So this was how I made this video.
Watch.
I'm gonna watch.
Jesus! God have mercy upon us. Jesus.
Alright, so record an empty background like this one. Okay, then you crawl into the camera this way and then you crawl out. Okay, now remember to place a stick or a pole like this one. You'll be needing it. Okay, now from the very beginning of this video, touch on the video. Okay, now move this way and look for freeze. Okay, click on it. Now the freeze has turned this part of the video to picture. Okay, come back here. All right, click on overlay. Now the overlay has brought this one down, the picture parts down. Okay, so drag it to this place. All right, okay, now move this icon this way and look for mask. All right, click on horizontal. Okay, now rotate this and then place it on the pole. Okay, now click on mark good. All right, look at what we have. Okay, so that's the first part of the video. All right, now click on add overlay. All right, now bring in a green screen effect of any animal. Okay, now you can actually download this from TikTok or YouTube. You can download any animal. Okay, there are a lot of them there. Right, now move this icon this way and look for remove BG. Okay, click on it, click on chroma key. Now rotate that circle to remove the green effect. Now clean it up by dragging this to 100%. Click this mark good sign. All right, now bring this thing down and then increase the size. All right, now let's see. Okay, now touch on the green screen. All right, now move this icon this way and look for mask. Right, click on it, click on horizontal again. Now rotate this and place it on the same pole. Okay, now click on this mark good. All right, now let's watch. Okay, now you can see that it's not aligning well. Okay, so you can raise this one up a bit. Okay, let's play the full screen. You see, it's very simple to do. Okay, so share this video and then follow me for more videos. Thank you. Now from here you can go ahead and add your sounds. Okay, share this video please.